Hello everybody, welcome to the YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So today we're looking at how to download one of the best free antiviruses that works wonders. It even protects you online, even even when you're not aware, because sometimes you get viruses online. So how do we go about doing this? Super easy. The name of the antivirus is called Avast Antivirus. So you go to your Google, you type Avast Antivirus download, okay, and then you come to free antivirus download. You click that, and then you click free download. When you click free download, it's gonna come here, it's gonna download, and then once it downloads, you click on it. Super easy. Wait for it. Now it's loading, but I already have Avast on the PC, so I'm just showing you. I'm not gonna run through till the end. I'm gonna skip some parts because I know you already know how to install, so I don't want to waste your time showing you something that you already know. So now that it's loading, you will need to be connected to the internet. So that's what it's doing. You will need to be connected to the internet. Exactly. Avast free antivirus, and then if you want to customize in terms of where you want to install it and what you don't want to, normally I don't come here. I just click install. Now it's installing. Do not turn off your computer. Once it's installed, then you say finish, then you are done. Okay, so my internet is low, that is why it's slow. My PC is a bit fast, but my internet is low. Okay, so yeah, that's how you install antivirus called Avast. It's one of the best. Protect your computer against viruses. See you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you smash that like button. Okay, comment if the video helped you. Comment. Shout out.